Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies. Do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. We're on 5-minute time frame. Right from this support zone, it started a buy trend, and of course it kept on spiking up and up. It has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, and of course if it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend. We just need it to break out below this support zone, but for now we expect it to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time and got to this support zone, was unable to go below it, so it started a buy trend, even though it's finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone. And of course it has been playing around there for a very long time, and of course if once it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more, so we expect this to buy more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. So this is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time. Got to this support zone, it was unable to go below it, so it started buying right from there, but it bought till it got to this resistance zone and pull back, and of course went back there to break out above the resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. We just need to break out above this, okay, and it will keep on buying. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of an upward movement, even though the movement have not been that smooth, but it had been more of an upwards movement. Okay, got to this resistance of pullback. It was a long pullback, and of course went back up again. We're still unable to break out from there. It's pullback, and of course it's still going back up to try it out again. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance. So that is when it will go fully into a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the final one, is called V75. V75 had been on downtrend for a very long time. Got to this support zone, it pulled back, and of course try to go back there again, still unable to to get there. And of course once it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it's going to sell more till it get to the last part of the support zone, which is somewhere here. Okay, so this is very serious. Okay, so we should take note of this. Okay, but if it's unable to break out below this, then it will go back on buy trend and see if it can break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so for now this is still selling at the moment. Might not be for a very long time, but it is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal, you should do your own personal practice and perfect a trading skill on your demo account before you go fully on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.